Back with an update for you guys. I picked up this Pontiac 400 transmission going at Regal. I know it didn't work though. I got a bell housing. I was gonna do the 5.3, or I got a 5.3, but I decided to go with big block. I tore that 5.3 down because I was gonna use it. But going big block, I got a whole bunch of parts up in here I don't bought for it. So I got the flow pans, you know, headers. I got a new header panel, like a radiator. I got a Durala trans cooler. Can't touch my bike. MSD. I got some more parts, you guys. I just throw it in the back. Okay, I'm back. Had a phone call, mess up everything, but let's see what else I got. I feel like taking all that out, throw it in this corner. But these are the bumper fillers. Bumper fillers. The big block is at the machine shop right now. Should be finished this week. I'll throw a picture of the motor he sent me, but he's telling me I'll wait on some more parts. I don't know, but yeah, you guys.